The Home Eleanor has over 580 customer reviews and a 4.7-star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Eleanor is easy to install, is well made, and is a great value. The Home Eleanor is perfect to install in stairwells, in entryways or foyers, or over a kitchen island. This sleek light comes in 3 different finishes: oil-rubbed bronze, a brushed nickel, and a warm brass. The design of the Eleanor is unique and eye-catching, with its gently sloped lattice design and exposed candelabra bulbs. This chandelier also features a gorgeous glass crystal finial to add an extra touch of sophistication and shine. Included in your package is 96 inches of chain, so you can set the Eleanor to your desired height. The open bulb design of the Eleanor allows for some customization with your choice of bulb. This is compatible with incandescent bulbs or LED bulbs to make the Eleanor even brighter. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Eleanor is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Eleanor light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space that say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.